Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope you are fine, doing very well. So, let's begin our style journey for this winter season. So, in today's video, you will find the most adorable winter pencil skirt designs ideas for office wear, for party wear. This is an awesome collection, guys, for ladies who love to wear pencil skirts. So this video is really going to be very helpful for them. I hope you will love all the designs that I have just added in this video. You'll find the most adorable, the wool skirt designs and the tweed style skirts, the pencil skirts, the fishtail mermaid skirts, and many more. So I hope that this video is really going to be very helpful for you, very useful for you. And here I must suggest you guys that for more designs, for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video. And I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. All the dresses are looking so amazing. You can see the top designs with these beautiful winter skirts. We'll find the plaid wool skirts and many different styles and designs. So if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So guys, if you're loving these amazing dress designs ideas, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how were the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.